likod ng cake. Or sa side. Para lahat tayo nakukuha sa camera. Okay? Adi, at ko dito Kid Macdo. Lapit ko dito. Okay? Si Enzi, hindi siya natatakot kay Kid Macdo. Okay? Ready? Kids! Okay, nandito na ba lahat? Adi rin, may nag-stay ba sa unahan? Everybody, please sing a happy, happy birthday for Enzi. Wait lang. Louder. Okay, ready? Everybody sing louder. Ready, sing. Happy birthday to you. Louder, kids. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Wait lang, syempre, bago i-blow, syempre ni Enzi, tulungan ni Kuya, syempre yung wish muna sa wish lang ni Mommy and Daddy for Enzi. So, Daddy, kayo po muna yung mag-wish for Enzi. Mommy, mag-wish ka muna for Enzi. Simple wish lang po. Saka si Daddy.
Ate, may pack.
Okay, Mommy, wish mo lang. Konting wish. Okay. Daddy po.
I wish my daughter
Okay, ayan, Mommy, Daddy. Siyempre, Mommy, i-blow mo muna yung candle, tapos meron pa time. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Teka lang, mamaya na sa tingin natin. Happy birthday, Enzi! Wow! And of course, kids, thank you so much. Teka lang, naging confetti ang cake ni Enzi. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Enzi! And of course, kids, once again, palakpakan naman natin si Enzi. Happy birthday! This time, lahat ng kids, upo muna. Upo, go to your mom muna. And dad, sit down. Teka lang, naging confetti. Okay. Oh, wait, kids. Alam ko, hinihintay niyo na yung dance number ni Kid Macdo at ni Grimace.